everyone, in this lecture we are going to discuss few questions related to coordinate geometry. So let's start. First one, we have to write the coordinates of the points marked on the axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Some points are there. First, second, third, fourth point, this part, and fifth, this one, that is fifth point, and we have to find its coordinate. So for finding the coordinates of this given point, yes, कैसे find करेंगे हम? We will mark perpendicular distance of this point from both the axes. हमारे पास यहाँ point था, हमने perpendicular distances mark कर लिए from x axis and y axis. Now we all know x come first. तो x अगर हम इस point पे check करें तो इसके according x का कौन सा point है? 3 and y 4. So coordinates for first point will be 3, 4. Now second one, again perpendicular distance. So second point, x come first, -3. After that 4. So this is 3, 4, and in second quadrant x is negative and y is positive. Now third point. अब जो हमारा third point है, it lies on x-axis, and we all know on x-axis y equals to 0. So coordinates of third point will be -5, 0, because on x-axis y equals to 0. Similarly, fourth point, again mark the perpendiculars. So x come first, x is -3, y is also -3. So coordinates for fourth point will be -3, -3. Fifth point, again this point lies on x-axis, and on x-axis y equals to 0. So coordinates for fifth one is 5, 0. We are having another point, that is sixth point here. Yes. So this point lies on y-axis, and we all know on y-axis x equals to 0. So coordinates for this point will be 0, 2, because x come first, and on y-axis x equals to 0. So points will be 0, 2. Now second question is, you have to locate the points. First one, 5, 0. You have to plot this point on the Cartesian plane, 5, 0. So x come first. So we have find this 5, because x-axis पे क्या है 5, तो हमने directly jump किया 5 पे. Now second is 0. So we came to know that on x-axis y equals to 0. So this point lies on x-axis, 5, 0. Now second is 0, 5. In this case, x equals to 0. So we came to know that this point lies on y-axis. So 0, 5. This is the point 0, 5. Now third one, 5, 2. So on x-axis 5. So मैं directly jump किया 5 पे. Now on y-axis 2. So this is 5. This is 2. So intersection कहाँ हुई हमारी? This point. Because हमने again perpendicular distance mark किया from x-axis and from y-axis, and this point is 5, 2. Fourth one, -3, 4. Now on x-axis -3, so directly jump -3 पे किया हमने. Now second is 4. So on y-axis 4, again perpendicular distance, -3 on x-axis and 4 on y-axis. So -3, 4. Now third question is, you have to find the perpendicular distance of this point from x-axis, that is first plank, and from y-axis. Now we have to plot this point first, 3, 4. So this is 3, 4. Get it? Now we have to find its distance from x-axis. So we have to find its perpendicular distance from x-axis. That means this part. अगर मैं इस पार्ट को डार्क करूं, that means इस पॉइंट का डिस्टेंस आपको कहां से फाइंड करना है? फ्रॉम एक्स एक्सिस. तो ये हमारा एक्स एक्सिस है. सो इस पॉइंट का डिस्टेंस एक्स एक्सिस से कितना है? यस, हमें चेक तो एक्स एक्सिस से करना है, बट जो हमारा डिस्टेंस है वो कौन सा एक्सिस शो करेगा? y एक्सिस. So 0, 4. So you can say that the perpendicular distance of 3, 4 from x-axis is 4 units. Now second part from y-axis. Again, the perpendicular distance of this point from y-axis. This is y-axis. So the distance of this point from y-axis is, again we have to look here, 0, 3. Because इस जो लाइन का डिस्टेंस है, ये दोनों लाइन्स पैरेलल हैं. सो अगर इसका 3 यूनिट डिस्टेंस है, दैट मीन्स इसका भी कितना होगा? 3 यूनिट्स. सो द परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस ऑफ 3, 4 फ्रॉम एक्स एक्सिस इज 4 units, and from y-axis, that is this part, is 3 units. चेक हमने ऑपोजिट एक्सिस से करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमें चेक करना था फ्रॉम एक्स एक्सिस, बट जो हमारे डिस्टेंस की वैल्यू आएगी वो किस एक्सिस पे डिपेंड करेगी? वाई एक्सिस पे. सिमिलरली जब हमें परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस फाइंड करना था फ्रॉम वाई एक्सिस, तो जो हमारे डिस्टेंस की वैल्यू है वो किस एक्सिस पे डिपेंड करेगी? ऑन एक्स एक्सिस. Now second part, the perpendicular distance of -4, 3 from x-axis. First we have to mark this point, -4. So -4, 3. This is -4, 3. So we have to find its perpendicular distance from x-axis. Now from x-axis, that means we have to look on y-axis. Perpendicular distance x axis से इस पॉइंट का ये होगा. Yes. Now this line is parallel to this line. So अगर अपने y axis पे चेक करें, 1, 2 and 3. Perpendicular distance from x axis will be 3 units.